In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear cup holder assembly. Let's get started. Now the first thing we want to do is open up the original cup holder. Once you have it open, you're going to want to use a small pick that looks like this. It's easiest to use an angled pick. The areas that we want to get to is right along each side. You're going to find a locking tab. You just want to carefully get underneath that area, gently pry it apart, and then carefully pull one side apart at a time. Once it starts to separate, we'll do the same to the other side. Now that I have both of those separated, we're going to move up to the top. This one's a little bit harder to see, but once I get it out, I'll show you what it looks like. Now we can slide that right out. So here's the tab that I went under, right along here. Went in between this area, gently pried, it pressed it down, and then I could slide this right out. Now we can put in the brand new cup holder assembly. This is going to be easiest with it in the open position. Let's take this and slide it into position and then press it in. Listen for clicks around all three locking corners.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.